Hello to all of my buddies, all of my option trading buddies around the country. I'm going to bring to your attention about using call charts and put charts that 99% of the people have never even seen, let alone how to use them. But I will tell you this, I will change you. And when your eyes are open, you're going to say, well, where have I been? And you're going to improve 100%. When you take the free 5-day trial, going through each one of the trades using call charts, put charts as a market maker. That's who we are, and we compete with other market makers around the country that have different exchanges that options trade on. This is a 540 call chart. Yesterday, I would like to point out, just yesterday, it was $47 a contract. Today's low is exactly, this is going to blow your mind, $14.95. Just we'll call it $15. Also, let me point out, as a market maker, that's who you will come to be if you join the free 5-day trial. It's impossible for them to stay up here. And why do 85% of them go worthless? Because the market makers in the option pit can short this, and when it goes all the way down, they're making money. Okay, that's what they can do. They have the edge. They have the permissions to do it. Let me go ahead and show the chart here on MELI. Yesterday, we had a high of $608, and I'm only going with yesterday. Then it sold off pretty hard yesterday, and that low was 556. Today, we start out the trading session, and MELI drops down to this low right here throughout the trading day. And these are hourly candles, and it did. It got down to 536 right over here. Intraday, later in the day, 536.25. It had a nice little bounce back up to 550. The lesson that I want to tell you, these stocks are selling down very quickly and very hard. It is the month of September, and it is a rebalancing. And people are selling. There's nothing bad about fundamentals. There's nothing bad about anything else. This is the mechanics of what they're doing. And let me tell you another thing. When you're buying wholesale down here, you're taking all that risk out in that entry, and you are. And not only that, mathematical imbalances. So when you look at a chart on MELI, at the put chart is totally up here. This is the call chart. I'm giving an example. So the put charts are going to be way up here just like this was. They can't stay up here either. And it's on sale down here. All that risk that's been taken out, and you can see here on the daily chart, this thing was right up here, and it's been much higher, and it got cracked, and it sold off. There was no news or anything at all. It's just the big guys are selling into this. They're taking some money. They're going to rebalance what they're going to trade as we move into the end of the year. And we're here to let you learn how the actual intraday 60-minute chart, taking a look at the daily, but using the 60-minute. And when we get down here to these absurd levels from yesterday, you're talking 608 down to 536. Well, you do the math. What I will tell you is this is where you want to be. And the low of the contract, we'll just call it $15. The intraday high on this contract today itself was $25. So it was already marked down $10 in today's session. But if you go up here from $47, it got cracked. And those option people, they got killed. And they did. Let us be the one to take you through step by step intraday. You will, and I guarantee it, you will feel so good because now your eyes are going to be open and you're going to be there while it's happening. And we're going to give the orders out. Yes, we do that. But you're going to learn the mechanics of a market maker that is a market maker in the pit with the options. That's what you're going to be and learn. So it's on sale. It bounced off of that 536 again. And we had bounces earlier today. Bam, relatively, what was that, 539? It came back up here, was a nice pop. But then we rolled back over here on these 60 minutes. And then we popped again. Because why? This is oversold. And the options are cheap. And when we look across the board and everything that we're going to do, and the reason why we're going to do well is because we're wholesale. And we are. And we are the market maker. That's what we are. And we compete with other market makers and various different options exchanges around the world. This is not retail option trading. Give yourself a break and get involved